How to create a newspaper template on Microsoft Word. In this tutorial, I'm going to show you guys exactly how you can create a newspaper template on Word. So the first thing you're going to have to do is click on the file icon that you see at the top left. From here, go to New, and you're going to have to search for an online template. Now, all you need to do here is type in newspaper and hit enter. Now it will search for different kind of templates available. So if you want a modern newspaper with different color schemes, you could choose this one. Or if you want a traditional black and white template, you can choose the traditional newspaper. I'm just going to click on this and then click on create. So it will now import the template to your Word document. Now you can make edits to this. So let's start from the headline. So you could type in anything you want here. So let's just reverse. So let's just type in today's news. And then from here, you can choose, select the issue number. So let's just make it 101. And you could adjust today's date. Let's just add Tuesday. So let's just add Wednesday here. And you could also edit all of these text here. You could choose these subheadings, select a different kind of image, and a different kind of page number as well. So you could edit each and every component of this template. That's how you basically create a newspaper template on Microsoft Word. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to leave a like down below and subscribe. I'll catch you guys on the next one.